Hello and welcome back everyone to our seventh episode of Mastering RAP Programming for the ABAP development as a ABAP developer. So in the last session we talked about the concepts of having the types of implementation that we can do as part of the RAP programming. Now we will take a reference here which we are going to use for our use case, and I'm going to take a reference of our data model. So our data model here that we will create use case. So I'll be typically taking a data model of sales order here. So we are going to use sales order data model for our learning here. Yeah, in this. So I'm going to have here the columns. So basically I will take the reference of sales header. We will have the sales order. In it, I'll have my sales header table and sales item table. For the sales header table now, I'm going to use here the columns. So we'll have the columns here like order ID. First of all, client number will be there, and I'm taking here CLNT and relength. This will also be a key. Then I will have the main primary key order ID, which I'm taking as, let's say, numeric character 6 length as also primary key. Then order date I will take DATS as 8 length. Buyer name, so buyer name I will take as character 60 exactly, or let's say 40. Gross amount, and not gross amount in this, I'll go with mobile number, all the header information. This I will take as numc 10, numeric character 10 length here, and then I will have the address. So address I'm going to go with, let's say, there 40 exactly, care 40 here. Yeah, yeah, address. Then I will have the country information here. So country I'm taking as character 3, and with the character 3 here, let's say I'm taking here the country like India, Russia, Japan, United States, United Kingdom. These are the countries I'm taking. Further, I will have the admin information also. So we'll create a admin structure to have the admin information like created by, last change by, created at, and last change at. Exactly. These things we are going to have. Yeah. Then we'll have the item table. So item table is also going to consist of the common. So it will have the client and order ID as well. And now since this is the item, it will have the columns also. It will have its own primary key here, the order item number. And let's give here character 3. This is also a key. Amount, I will give here as up to 15 length with the type as PURR. and then currency code as CUKY length with 5 exactly. And then at last I will have the order status. Yeah. And in the order status, I'll also limit the value like Y, char 1 I'm giving here. So if its value is Y, also order delivered or order completed. And order not completed, I would say unknown status or status unknown. So this is the reference we are taking here for our use case of a sales order data model, exactly, which we will create end to end. We will fill the data, and exactly we will take as a use case to create, understand the RAP programming and how to implement that exactly. So all the things we will follow step by step, and from the next session we'll start creating our table, which is the sales order. Yeah, that's something we'll start doing. Okay. So if you have find this video as informative, please do subscribe our channel, share the video with your ABAP community, whoever is interested in learning the RAP programming. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.